Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into one of the most critical aspects of cybersecurity, patch management best practices. Did you know that over 60% of data breaches happen due to unpatched vulnerabilities? A real-world example is the WannaCry ransomware attack in 2017. It exploited a missing security patch in Windows and spread worldwide, affecting over 2 lakh computers. By the end of this video, you will learn what patch management is and why it's essential, the patch management lifecycle, and best practices to ensure your systems stay secure. So let's get started. Understanding patch management. Before we dive into the best practices, let's first understand what patch management is. Patch management is a process of acquiring, testing, and applying updates to software or operating systems and applications. There are different types of patches. Security patches fix vulnerabilities that hackers could exploit. Bug fixes resolve software errors and feature updates. It introduces new enhancements, performance improvements, optimize system efficiency. Regular patching keeps your IT environment secure and stable. And but how do you manage it efficiently? Let's break it down with patch management lifecycle. Patch management isn't just about clicking update. It follows a structured lifecycle to reduce risk and ensure reliability. There are 5 steps: identification, evaluation, deployment, verification, continuous improvement. We will go in depth each one. Identification. Finding missing patches using tools like Nessus, Rapid7, or SCCM, and evaluation. Test patches in your staging environment before deploying them to production. Deployment. Roll out patches in phases using automation tools. Verification. Ensure the update was successful and didn't break anything. Continuous improvement. Regularly review and refine your patching process. By following this life cycle, you can minimize downtime and security risk. Best practices for patch management. Automate patch deployment and prioritize critical patches. Test before deployment, schedule patching windows, and monitor and audit patch complaints. Have a rollback plan. Now we understand the life cycle. Automate patch deployment. We need to use tools like SCCM, WSUS, and PDP deploy or Ansible to reduce manual work. Means these are the remote deployment softwares in order to install patches. Prioritize critical patches. Not all patches are urgent. Use CVSS scores to rank vulnerabilities. What are the vulnerabilities that are identified? We need to check the CVSS score and the criticality of the server. Based on that, we have to prioritize the critical patches, which need to be deployed first. Test before deployment. A faulty update can crash critical systems. Always test first. So whenever the new patches we are deploying, we have to test before deploying in the production in order to check any crash that may cause system down. So before proceeding patch deployment, we have to test in the test environment and everything goes fine. Then we need to deploy in the test environment. Schedule patching windows. Deploy patches updates during off-peak hours to avoid disruptions. So we need to check based on the downtime of the different time zones, and based on the downtime, we need to roll the patches in our for deployment. Monitor and audit patch complaints. Keep track of patching status using reporting tools. Have a rollback plan. If an update causes issues, have a backup strategy to revert. So whenever we are deploying any patches, we must ensure that it should be take backup so that in case after deployment it may cause any issue, so that we can have a strategy to restore and to provide services. So these best practices help organizations stay secure, compliant, and operational. What are the patch management tools and technologies? Now let's explore some of the best tools available for patch management. Microsoft SCCM, WSUS, ideal for Windows patching, where we will be using. Whereas PDP deploy, it is a great for third-party appliance patch application patching, and Ansible and Chef protect for Linux patching, and Azure update management and AWS systems manager best for cloud-based patching. And choosing the right tool depends on whether your infrastructure is on-premises, cloud, or a hybrid. Challenges, solutions. Even with the right tools, organization faces challenges in patch management. Let's discuss some common issues and how to solve them. Common patch management challenges and solution. Legacy systems, uh, older systems may not support new patches. And solution, use a virtual patching with the intrusion prevention system and patch fatigue. IT teams struggle with too many patches. Like in order to resolve that, automate updates and set clear patching process. And we may cause downtime concerns. Patching can interrupt business operations. So for this, we used to phase rollouts and schedule maintenance windows. And third-party software patching. Many companies ignore non-OS patches. Solution for this include all critical software in our patching strategy. Coming to next slide, compliance regulatory requirements. Did you know that failing to patch systems can lead to legal and financial penalties? Let's look at some compliance frameworks that require patch management. First one is ISO 27001 and NIST, risk management. It requires systematic risk management and patching. And PCI DSS demands patching for system handling credit card data. And HIPAA, HIPAA, it ensures healthcare organization secure patient data through regular updates. So not keeping your systems patched could result in hefty fines and security breaches. So compliance is key. So now coming to the conclusion, let's quickly recap what we have learned today. Patch management is critical for security and stability, and following the life cycle ensures smooth patching. And automation tools helps streamline the process. Challenges exist, but solutions are available. Compliance matters for security and regulations. And want to learn more? Check out our next video, Incident Response for Security Breaches. Like, share, and subscribe for more cybersecurity tips, and drop a comment below. How does your organization handle patching? Thank you.